students, today we are starting our class with an activity. Are you ready? So first of all, wishing you very happy morning. And here I will write some conditions. Okay, some conditions. If it is favor to me, you give me a thumbs up. Okay, you give me a thumbs up. Is it? Then it's not favor to me, not a favorable condition to me, then you give me a bad luck. Okay, so students, let me start. Then suppose I bought one rose. Okay, I bought one rose for 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Okay, and I sell it. I sell it for rupees 20. For 20 rupees. Is it a favorable condition or unfavorable? Yes, favorable. Is it? I got 10 rupees extra. Is it? 10 rupees extra. Is it? So, here I got 10 rupees extra. Is it? Extra. Then suppose I bought a pair of guppy fish for 15 rupees. So, 15 rupees for one pair fish. Okay. Then sell it for 12 rupees. Okay. I sell it for 12 rupees. I sell it for 12 rupees. Okay, 12 rupees. Then is it fair to me or unfair to me? Of course, bad luck. Is it? It's not fair to me. I didn't get extra amount and also, yes, a reduction in the prize money. Is it? I got amount. Yes, only 13 rupees. Is it? I bought for 15 but I get only 12. Is it 12? That is 3 rupees reduction. Is it? 3 rupees. So, 3 rupees reduction. Reduced. Is it? 3 rupees reduction. Is it? So, just think about some situations in your life. Okay. So, sometimes you may have this situation. Is it? Getting an extra amount. But sometimes you have these type of situations. That is reduction in our, yes, amount. Is it? Here we get extra amount. Here we get a reduction in the amount. Is it? So, today we are going to study about these type of situations. And you know, children, the situation in which get extra amount, it is not as, yes, some of you know the word profit. Is it, students? Profit. So, here we can say that I got 10 rupees profit. Is it? 10 rupees profit. Got it? And in this case, the reduction, it is known as loss. Loss in the amount. Here I have 3 rupees loss. So, students, you are studying about profit and loss. I think you got the concept. When we get extra amount compared to our cost price. Is it? Cost price. What is cost price? The amount in which we buy items. Suppose you buy a chocolate for 5 rupees. That 5 is called the cost price. So, another term, cost price. CP. Cost price. CP. Okay. Cost price. CP. Got it? So, the CP means, yes, the amount in which we buy items. Is it? So, it's CP. And, you know, here I sell it. I sell it. So, for particular amount, we sell items. Is it? To particular amount, we sell items. That amount is called, can you say? Yes, of course, SP, selling price. SP, selling price. price. Is it? So students, here the 10 rupees is the CP. Is it? Cost price. I bought a rose for 10 rupees. So CP is 10. And in this case, yes, 15 is the CP. Is it? 15 is the CP. Is it, students? And also here I sell it for 20 rupees. So SP is, yes, 20. And in this case, SP is 12. Is it, students? Can you say the condition of profit and loss from CP and SP? Can you say the condition, that is when we have profit according to CP and SP? Here CP is 10. Is it? CP is 10. CP means here CP is equal to SP is equal to. And also record in this case CP and SP. So students, in this case CP is 10. Here SP is 20. Is it, students? And in this case CP is 15 rupees. SP is 12. Is it, students? So first case CP and SP. Second case CP and SP. Can you say any relation? Very good. That is, in this case CP is less than SP. Is it? When selling price is greater, we get, yes, profit. Is it? We bought an item for 5 rupees. Sell the item for 10 rupees. Then we have 5 rupees profit. Is it? So SP greater than it is profit. Is it? But SP is smaller. That means, yes, loss. I think you got the concept. Is it? So CP is, yes, say it once again. Yes, CP, cost price, and SP, say louder. Yes, SP, selling price. CP, cost price. SP, selling price. SP, yes, selling price. CP, cost price. So don't forget these two words. CP, cost price. SP, selling price. And we have SP greater than CP. Yes, profit. Is it? SP greater than CP. Profit. SP less than CP. Yes, loss. So students, don't forget these 4 words. Okay. SP, CP, profit and loss.
So students, now it's your turn. Do this work before tomorrow's DCS. And we will discuss more at the time of DCS about CP, SP, profit and loss. Okay students, thank you.